4 big reasons to worry about DeepSeek, and 4 reasons to calm down. In the fast-paced world of artificial intelligence, the emergence of DeepSeek has sent shockwaves through the tech industry. While some are excited about the potential of this Chinese AI company, others are deeply concerned about the long-term implications. DeepSeek has managed to create high-performing, cost-effective AI models that have rattled Silicon Valley. But how much has the game truly changed? Let's break it down into reasons to worry and reasons to stay calm. DeepSeek. Rising, a new challenger in the AI arena. Just this past Monday, the Nasdaq saw a significant drop of 3.1%, largely driven by investors processing the potential impact of DeepSeek's advancements on the future of artificial intelligence. This new player, backed by the Chinese quantitative hedge fund High Flyer, has shaken up the AI world with its efficient, budget-friendly AI models. As news spread, DeepSeek's developments became a subject of intense debate. DeepSeek's models have impressed many for being able to deliver impressive performance at a fraction of the cost of their competitors. Like NVIDIA, the company's V3 and R1 models were seen as examples of how smaller, leaner operations could quickly reverse-engineer innovations and optimize them using less computing power. While this is good for developers looking to reduce costs, it raises big questions about the long-term business model of DeepSeek and the global competitiveness of AI. However, the true significance of DeepSeek's rise remains to be seen. Some worry that the company's progress could signal a new era where AI is much more accessible and potentially uncontrollable. Let's take a deeper look at why some see DeepSeek as a cause for concern. 2. Reasons to worry. 1. Uncertainty around DeepSeek's long-term goals. DeepSeek was founded by the Chinese hedge fund High Flyer, which initially developed AI algorithms for trading purposes. However, the company's more recent focus on building large language models, LLMs, signals an ambitious pivot. The company's mission is to unravel the mystery of AGI, artificial general intelligence, and they've committed to open sourcing their models. This openness could mean big benefits for developers, but it also raises the question, what's in it for DeepSeek in the long run? While DeepSeek has gained attention for offering models at significantly lower prices, there is no clear business model in place. Unlike many US AI labs, which are aiming to monetize their technology, DeepSeek has positioned itself as an altruistic company, giving away its innovations for free or at a low cost. This raises a critical question. If DeepSeek decides to start charging or monetizing its models differently down the line, how will that affect its users and the competitive landscape? Furthermore, there is the issue of government involvement. The Chinese government may at some point intervene in the company's business, especially if it feels that DeepSeek's AI models could be used by adversarial nations. This uncertainty surrounding DeepSeek's future plans adds to the concern about what they might do with their technology, to no clear competitive advantage for US AI labs. Another reason to worry is that DeepSeek's success reveals that US AI labs may no longer have the upper hand. DeepSeek's models, like its V3 and R1 versions, are based on technologies and architecture initially developed by US labs. What DeepSeek has done is optimize these models using older hardware and fewer computing resources. This ability to reverse engineer US technologies quickly is a significant challenge for American AI companies. DeepSeek's success shows that no lead in AI innovation is safe for long. Once a US company releases a new model, open source labs and companies like DeepSeek can quickly adapt and bring competing products to market. For companies that depend on selling models to developers, this is a problem. Switching costs for developers are low, and the price savings from using DeepSeek's models are enticing. AI as a geopolitical arms race. DeepSeek's emergence has turned AI into a more geopolitical issue. In the US, AI progress has often been framed as a race against China. This narrative plays into a larger fear that an authoritarian regime could develop superhuman intelligence and use it as a weapon against democracies. This framing has fueled investment in AI technologies, including military applications. But it also risks making AI development more about competition than safety. The concern here is that framing AI as a geopolitical arms race may discourage efforts to build AI safely. In the rush to outpace China, companies may be tempted to release untested, dangerous technologies. While US AI labs have at least made an effort to prioritize safety, DeepSeek has not made its stance on AI safety clear, which raises alarms about the potential for AI systems that could cause catastrophic harm. For the absence of AI safety standards, DeepSeek's focus on rapid development and optimization of AI models stands in stark contrast to the growing focus on AI safety in the US. While American companies like OpenAI and Anthropic have tried to create frameworks for building safe and aligned AI, DeepSeek has not addressed this issue. This lack of attention to safety could result in the rapid deployment of powerful AI systems that are not aligned with human values or desires. As AI systems become more powerful, the stakes are higher. The potential for these systems to operate outside of human control is real, and without safety protocols, the risk of harm increases. With DeepSeek showing little interest in safety research, there are valid concerns that this could set back efforts to build AI responsibly. 3 reasons to calm down. The expectations were already high. While DeepSeek's rise is impressive, many of the developments it's spearheading were already anticipated in the AI community. Open-source AI companies have been expected to reverse engineer major advancements from the big labs. Similarly, the expectation that AI training and inference costs would dramatically decrease over time was not a new revelation. In fact, costs for training models like GPT-4 have already dropped by 1,000x over the last 18 months. For context, Google also released a super cheap reasoning model just days ago, but it didn't generate the same level of concern. The technology is available, and it's clear that costs will continue to drop. DeepSeek's success is impressive, but it's not entirely unprecedented. The AI community had already factored in the decline in costs and the increasing accessibility of AI. 2 US tech companies still have the edge. Despite DeepSeek's innovation, American tech companies are still in a strong position. DeepSeek's breakthroughs are more about optimization than new conceptual advancements. The US labs that originally developed the technologies DeepSeek has optimized are still pushing forward with next-generation AI developments, including AI agents and virtual coworkers. While DeepSeek's models are cheaper, American companies are focused on creating even more powerful AI systems that could take the lead in the long run. Moreover, the current geopolitical dynamics and export controls still favor the US to some extent. China may be advancing in AI, but it still faces significant challenges in terms of computing power and access to top-tier hardware. This gives American labs a critical advantage in continuing to innovate. Taiwan, the AI landscape is still evolving. It's important to remember that we're still in the early stages of AI development. While DeepSeek has made impressive strides, the AI ecosystem is vast and still evolving. The emergence of new players, like DeepSeek, might disrupt the status quo, but it's unlikely that it will completely overshadow the years of investment, expertise, and infrastructure that US tech companies have built. Our AI safety efforts are ongoing. Despite concerns about DeepSeek's approach to AI safety, it's important to remember that safety is a top priority for many US companies and researchers. While no solution is perfect, the ongoing conversations around AI safety and regulation are a sign that efforts are being made to mitigate the risks of powerful AI systems. The US government has also begun to put some restrictions in place to ensure that AI development remains safe and controlled. The conclusion: while DeepSeek's rise in the AI world is undoubtedly significant, it's not a cause for panic. The company's success is a reflection of the broader trends in AI, declining costs, open-source models, and rapidly evolving technologies. However, it also raises important questions about the future of AI safety, the geopolitical landscape, and the need for responsible development. For now, it's important to keep a level head. The US AI labs are still pushing forward, and the AI landscape will continue to evolve. Whether DeepSeek can truly change the game remains to be seen, but the ongoing attention it's receiving is a reminder that the future of AI is still in the making.